بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Waddle. Word forms: third person singular present tense waddles, present participle waddling, past tense, past participle waddled. To waddle somewhere means to walk there with short, quick steps, swinging slightly from side to side. Synonyms: shuffle, shamble, totter, toddle. 3 men waddled across the road.
Waffle. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense waffles, present participle waffling, past tense, past participle waffled. If someone waffles on an issue or question, they cannot decide what to do or what their opinion is about it. Synonyms: waver, hesitate, falter, fluctuate. He kept waffling and finding excuses not to close the deal.
Wheel. Word forms: third person singular present tense wheels, present participle wheeling, past tense, past participle wheeled. To mark with stripes. Synonyms: welt, whale. His neck was wheeled and raw.
Wean. Word forms: third person singular present tense weans, present participle weaning, past tense, past participle weaned. If you wean someone off a habit or something they like, you gradually make them stop doing it or liking it, especially when you think is bad for them. Synonyms: detach, deter, discourage, dissuade, prevent, stop, halt. Children should be weaned off mobile.
Whack. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense whacks, present participle whacking, past tense, past participle whacked. If you whack someone or something, you hit them hard. Synonyms: strike, hit, beat, box. Someone whacked him on the head.
Wigwag. Word forms: third person singular present tense wigwags, present participle wigwagging, past tense, past participle wigwagged. To move something back and forth. Synonyms: sway, swing, oscillate, vibrate. The wipers were wigwagging to keep the windscreen clear.
Wobble. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense wobbles, present participle wobbling, past tense, past participle wobbled. If something or someone wobbles, they make small movements from side to side, for example because they are unsteady. Synonyms: shake, rock, sway, tremble. The pile of bricks wobbled and fell.
Wolf. Word forms, third person singular present tense wolves, present participle wolfing, past tense, past participle wolfed. To eat a large amount of food very quickly. Synonyms: consume, devour, eat, have. He wolfed down his breakfast.
Writhe. Word forms, third person singular present tense writhes, present participle writhing, past tense, past participle writhed. If you writhe, your body twists and turns violently backwards and forwards, usually because you are in great pain or discomfort. Synonyms: squirm, struggle, twist, toss. He was writhing in agony.
Womanize. Word forms, third person singular present tense womanizes, present participle womanizing, past tense, past participle womanized. Of a man, to indulge in many casual affairs with women. Synonyms: philanderer, Lothario, playboy. Never trust him, he is always womanizing.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.